अरे तुम कर क्या रही हो? अरे संडे शुरू होते कि नहीं ये बच्चे मोबाइल पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं, गेम पता नहीं क्या क्या करते रहते हैं मोबाइल पे।
मम्मा मैं गेम नहीं खेल रही हूँ।
तो क्या कर रही हो? देखा था?
देखो मैं नेट में कुछ सर्च कर रही थी।
क्या सर्च कर रही थी?
हमारे दोस्त ने एक नया शुरू किया है कि हर वीकेंड पे एक एक टॉपिक के ऊपर एक प्रश्न पूछते हैं। तो इस वीक का रिडल्स का था और सबने मुझे पूछा और मुझे उसके आंसर्स नहीं आ रहे थे, इसलिए मैंने गूगल पे सर्च किया, वही सर्च कर रही थी। हाँ
अच्छा।
मम्मा, आपको तो रिडल्स बहुत पसंद है, शायद आपको पता होगी। तो क्वेश्चन पूछो।
पता।
देखो, what should be broken before you use it?
What should be broke before you use it?
फ्रेंड्स, आपको इस आंसर का प्रश्न का आंसर पता है? अगर पता है तो कमेंट करके जरूर बताना। आप बोलो अभी।
What we should break
Before you use it.
before you use. What should we break? Egg?
Yeah, it can be the answer.
Egg, no? Egg you are breaking. Yeah, no? Yeah, egg you should break. Then you use it. Simple.
रिडल का आंसर तो आपको पता था, मैं कब से इंटरनेट पे ढूंढ रही थी। मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे रिडल्स है, आपको पूछूं?
इस बात है तो मेरे पास भी बहुत सारा रिडल्स है, मैं भी आपको पूछती हूँ और आप भी मुझे पूछ लीजिए, ठीक है? तो दोस्तों, क्या आपको रिडल्स पसंद है? तो आ जाइए हमारे साथ खेलने के लिए रिडल्स। देखते हैं किसको कितना आंसर पता है। ओके,
So I'm going to ask my first riddle to my mom. So are you ready?
yes, tell me.
Okay, so the first riddle is, the more of this is there, the less you can see. What is it?
More of this is there, the less you see. The less you see. TV? It's
No.
black. Then give me one clue. Any clue?
Okay, it is black in color.
Black. TV? TV is black color. I don't know. No idea about this. Anyone know? No means please comment it down. No.
No idea? I'll give you extra time. Just think.
No. The less you know. No. Black in color. Black color is what? Don't know.
Okay, so the answer is darkness.
Darkness. Oh shit.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay, so you ask your first riddle.
So my first riddle is, what travels around the world? What travels around the world but stay in one spot? It's travel around the world but stay in one spot.
How can it travel around the world and stay in one spot?
Yeah. Tell me it is there.
Laser light and a globe. Okay, sound good. When I am standing in front of a globe and turning the globe and looking on the globe.
The globe is around you are in one spot.
Yeah.
It is only going around, moving around.
Like in real.
Yeah, really it is moving.
Cloud.
Around the world it is moving and standing one place. Spots, one spot only. It is.
Maybe this is sun.
Why the sun is going, moving from here to there?
But sun is not moving in reality, no. Only globe, the earth is moving.
No.
Moon? Star? Okay, give a clue.
It is one thing.
My God, even I noticed one thing.
One pepper piece. Small pepper piece, but still it is moving around the world. Now you can tell it is very close.
Rocket?
Rocket is moving in small pepper piece. Not
Small
pepper
paper piece.
piece.
What is that? Pass.
Pass, no? Can I tell? No? Stamp. Stamp, letter stamp.
How stamp is moving around the world?
It is going, no. We will put on the letter, it will go
It
everywhere.
will not go around the world.
Around the wall only it will go. Anywhere else.
Then how it is on one spot?
This is on the letter.
Yeah, but then people remove it and put it on another letter.
When one letter put means it is gone.
Okay.
Okay. Ask your second.
My second riddle to my mom. So are you ready?
Yes. Tell me easy one.
Okay, so the second riddle is I follow you all the time and copy your every action, but you can't catch me or touch me. What am I? What do you think it is?
Maybe it is photo. Our photo. No. Follow me. Photo also it will keep like this. It will follow with you.
I keep like this, you will touch it also.
I know this answer before only. It is our shadow.
Good. You have 1 point now.
Okay. So my second question is, when things go wrong, what can you always count on? Always everyone is doing. When things go wrong, what you are counting on?
What are counting on meaning?
What you always count when something is going wrong? What you are always counting?
The number of mistakes you did. The time you spent on the mistake. Why you did the mistake?
That one only you are counting.
Yeah, I count how many times I did the mistake, how many times I regret and all that.
Oh, that you are counting. What you are counting? That is with you. When you are count, you will count.
And
Always
then
count.
what's the meaning of counting then? Counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. What you are counting always?
Numbers.
Numbers.
Yeah, we're counting numbers only.
Numbers only, but what you are counting?
The number of mistakes, of course.
You don't know tell past. That is not the correct answer.
Okay, give a clue.
Clue is there only. If you try, now also you will try like that only.
Give a clue. Give a clue.
It is your body part.
What do you count on? Body part.
Don't know?
Wait, let me think. Okay.
Fast.
Face, mouth, hands, legs, stomach, feet.
What you count? If you are doing wrong means what you are counting, always counting, start counting. Now also you did, but still also not.
Hand.
Fingers. Now only you can know 1, 2, 3, 4. But you cannot tell. Fingers only. Always if you are doing anything wrong means always can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, how many times I did the wrong? Correct. Fingers is the right answer. Now ask yourself.
Third riddle to my mom. So are you ready?
Yes.
So my third riddle is, what kind of band never plays music?
What kind of band?
And if you want a clue, you use it every day.
Band. Rubber band?
Very good.
Okay. It's so easy only. Band means it's coming rubber band only. Okay, my third riddles. So how can a leopard change its spots? How can a leopard change its spot? And the leopard spots are there, no?
He's
That's-
trying to fool me.
No. Tell you know the answer?
I'm clever enough.
Okay, tell me.
By moving from one place to another.
No, you don't know. Okay. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
So my fourth riddle to my mom is,
I got 3 points, right?
no, 2 points.
What's that? You?
I also got 2 points till now. So
Okay.
it's tied. So my fourth riddle to my mom is, what has so many what do you say that thing? Needles, but doesn't sew.
Needles.
Stitching needles, but it doesn't sew.
Is there any punishment
Maybe.
for less marker? Okay. Less mark?
Surely.
Okay. What is the punishment? I'll choose the punishment.
What is the punishment?
The punishment is we'll get less mark. We'll drink the Karela juice.
What?
Karela juice.
Karela.
Most, yeah, healthy drink.
Karela is there, no?
Yeah,
Huh?
it is there.
Who bought? Why they bought? So
I don't know the answer. Please tell me. No, I'm your mom. Don't know.
but this is a game, and relationship doesn't matter. So here,
Okay, tell the answer. Pass.
do you want a hint at least?
Okay, give.
Okay, this is a festival celebrated in.
Needles.
Okay, it is a festival celebrated in US.
I don't know.
Common festival. In our school also we give holiday for this. Now if I give more than
Halloween.
it's Halloween.
Say Halloween.
No, but it's not Halloween. But more than this, if I give fully, the answer only will come out from my mouth.
No, okay, tell me. Pass.
Just think, they give holiday also for this.
New Year. Christmas.
Very good. Christmas, but it's not the answer.
Then what is the answer?
Something related to Christmas.
Don't fooling me. Okay, tell the answer.
So you don't know the answer? Not at all. A little bit also.
No idea.
Was it?
Not that.
So you don't know the answer? Okay, so the answer is Christmas tree.
Christmas tree needles, where it is?
The pine tree that all that small leaves which is that is called needles.
Fooling me simply. So my fourth riddles, right? So it has an eye but cannot see. What is it? Tell. It has one eye, 2 eye, 3 eye, 4 eye. It has one eye but cannot see. One eye.
One eye or 2 eye?
One eye.
Okay, give one clue.
It is related to your answer.
Needle.
Yeah, it's needle. Needle. Okay.
Okay. Nice.
It has arms Simply we are telling the answer. I gave the clue, no? So another one I am asking, okay? It has arm and legs but no head. What is it?
Arms and legs.
Arms and legs but no head. No?
I don't know.
Don't know? Hand and leg but no head. It's there only. There hand, this hand and leg obviously. But where is the head?
What is back
Oh,
side?
loser.
What is the back side?
That is back only. No head. Head side is not, nothing is coming. So no head. Okay. So is the lizard. Okay, I'm bringing the Karela juice for you. Are you ready to drink?
What a question she's asking.
Because I don't like juice, Karela juice.
But Karela is a favorite vegetable.
Yeah, vegetable, my favorite vegetable, but I cannot drink juice.
Of course, you're not the winner. You are the winner, but still you need to drink Karela juice because you are my mother.
Why? Now we are telling no relationship in game?
Yeah, but now game is over, no?
No, okay. I'm bringing Karela juice for you.
And you? Hi, you are drinking.
You are drinking?
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
You are drinking? Then I'm drinking.
Giving company to you.
Then I'm
You are the loser. No, you will drink this. I am the gainer. I am drinking this. I am drinking this. You will drink. Okay.
We'll see.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So if you like our video, please
Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Okay? I don't want to say this, but go and make Karela juice. Guys, I thought that by listening that she's also going to drink Karela ka juice, she's not going to make it. But now she seriously went to the kitchen and she's making Karela juice. That means it's a headache for me now. I seriously do not think that she's going to really make Karela ka juice. So I'll just try it for the first time. She already made it so fast.
Karela juice is ready, guys.
Just smelling from here only.
But it's very good for health. Drink it.
Oh my god, it smells disgusting. Yuck. Is this really Karela? Guys, look at this. Pray for me.
No, drink it. It's kacha mango ka juice. Drink up.
What about the smell? What about the taste?
Drink.
Guys, I'm doing this much difficult task for you guys. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below.
And don't forget to share with your friends. And drink it fast.
I don't want to drink it now.
Do fast.
Okay, she's going to do it first. Okay. Guys,
You want?
okay, you do countdown of 3, 2, 1, then I'm going.
3,
3,
2, 1. Drink it.
Okay, stop it.
Very good. Clap you guys.
The question you are asking.
Hey,
Wash my mouth.
little.
Oh my god, did you see her reaction? Oh my god. Guys, please like this video for her. So guys, she's back after 15 minutes and look at her. Her eyes completely turned red. It's watering till
really-
now.
I can eat Karela. It's my favorite vegetable. I can eat how much you give, but juice is very very difficult to drink really.
I drank very little, like only this much, like
Cheater.
two drops. That's it. Nothing happened.
So I am not in position to sit for more time. We'll see you in our next video. Till then,
Goodbye. Took the glass and she's like going to make my brother drink it. So let's see his reaction. Start.
you like juice very much? Come, let's drink mango juice. Drink mango juice.
Guys, look at his face. He's not in the position at all.
Drink mango juice.
Look at him.
It's good enough.
Till now he is closing his mouth and sitting. Even though my mom came, no. I'm no way going to drink that again. You drink it. Come on. The glass will break. No.
You never drink only. I will not drink that time, no?
I'm Gandhiji's third monkey. You should not speak bad.
You see, he's not speaking. You put it here only. You are only.
Put your eyes there. Gandhiji's three monkeys. Mom left to the kitchen and she's doing her lunch cooking, but still my brother did not remove the remove the hand from his face. I don't think so. He's going to drink juice for the rest of his life now. You going to drink juice? Oh my God, he's not going to drink juice. He often doesn't eat lunch and drink only juice, but now he cancelled the juice also. Just remove it. No, mom went. Okay, there's no use. Okay. Okay, tell bye. Bye.